Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, dignitaries on the dais and dignitaries on the other side. Three very quick, brief points that I'd like to address. Knowledge sharing, creating of platforms to dissipate knowledge is an extremely important requirement, and Laghu Udyog Bharat has been doing this for decades, and IMS is one such platform. We have used this platform. It is significantly helpful, and it brings to us participants, visitors, and also the bigger companies that are coming into these exhibitions looking for support, help, vendors, new and existing contacts with renewed capabilities. Many of my fellow dignitaries on the dais have already spoken to you about the success of the prior IMS events and the expectations of this particular IMS 2025. I'd just like to touch, see, ultimately any product has only three, product or service for that matter has three important aspects: quality, cost and delivery. The second aspect for all of us to be successful and for the show to be successful is exposure to the opportunity and making the right contacts at the right time. Any exhibition will facilitate that, and IMS, because of its focus on aerospace and defense, perhaps will bring a razor sharp focus to these two industries that today are currently in great focus thanks to two aspects: the global situation that is happening, second, the recent Operation Sindoor, wherein which many of the people who are associated here, the companies that are associated here, be they private, public sectors, government organizations, and the hundreds or thousands of MSME participants who have played their roles. Friends, we are moving from globalization to globalization or regionalization. So, what happened in the automotive sector, what happened in the die and mold sector is perhaps happening in a faster space in the defense and in the aerospace organization. So given the current context, given the current focus of this particular show to these specific areas, I believe is opportunity knocking on the doors of many MSME visitors, participants who are looking at showcasing what they are capable of at this particular show. So, I believe in doing this, they are creating and opening up a wider platform that will help us help the bigger units and help India in the manufacturing space, which will aid moving the role and contribution of manufacturing from the current whatever 14, 15, 16% to the GDP to what we are looking at 25, 30. So many things have happened. Make in India is happening. Make in India for defense and aerospace is the sharpened focus. So I would urge all of us to look at this show very, very seriously and look at this as a new opportunity that is opening up, and the biggest power comes when there is focus. And if, as we have been seeing, defense, aerospace is the focus of this show, let us be there and let us make ourselves successful by making the show successful and making India successful. Thank you very much.